Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing the project so the native launch screen can show an asset immediately. First, register your image files in PubSpec. YAML and place them under an Assets folder. Once done, choose whether you need a static image or an animated Lottie. Static is simpler and loads faster. Make sure Android and iOS build targets are set and that you have an app icon ready. This ensures consistent sizing and avoids layout shifts on first render. Now configure the native launch screens so the OS displays a pixel-perfect placeholder before Flutter initializes. On Android, create or modify launch background. XML and reference your drawable or color. Set scale type to center crop or center inside as needed. On iOS, open launch screen. Storyboard, add an image view constrained to safe areas and set the asset. Once done, match background colors and paddings to your app theme, so finish by implementing the Flutter side splash that takes over after native launch. You should create a splash screen widget that runs your async initialization, load config, auth state, or remote data, then navigate to the main route. Use a matching layout and minimal animations so the handoff feels continuous. Make sure to call widgets binding. Ensure initialized, if using platform channels. If things go wrong, clean builds and clear platform caches. Common issues are wrong asset names or storyboard/drawable mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.